Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how I made some magnetic screens for my van windows. Here's the view of the first window screen I already made. All you need is some window screen, some really strong duct tape, and 50 3/4 inch ceramic magnets. First thing I did was to measure out the windows. Once I had the dimensions, I added 4 inches to either side. So the 24 inch became 28 and the 28 inch became 32. That way I'd have a little extra to work with. I cut out a square rectangle so it would fit the overlap of the window. Then I taped the window screen to the car window and cut out the angled part to make sure I had a right fit. Next I took 25 of the 3/4 inch magnets and laid them out equally along the perimeter of the cutout screen, about 1 inch in. The goal is to be close enough in to where when you pull over the window screen, it just covers your magnet. Then I ripped off a bunch of small pieces of duct tape and I'm just going to tape each one of these down in their location, making sure that when I fold over the window screen covers the magnet. Taping each individual magnet to the window screen will make sure it doesn't slide out of place when you're using it. I then ripped off some more pieces of duct tape, and now I'm going to take the window screen, fold it over the magnets, and just in various locations I'm going to tape the window screen over the magnet to initially hold it in place. As you can see now, all of the magnets are held in place with small pieces of duct tape, and we have about a 1 inch overlap around the perimeter of the window screen. Now I'm going to take long lengths of duct tape and simply tape down over everything I've just done. Once you're done with the perimeter, just flip your window screen over. We're going to add one more layer of duct tape to cover the back and to secure everything in place. Rip your duct tape and lay it down flat on the table. Pick up the window screen, place it just 1 inch onto the duct tape, press it flat, and then flip the edge over to cover the magnets on the other side and finish off the window screen. Once you're done, just trim off the edge and move on to the next section. And there you have it, your magnetic window screen. Now that we're done, we just slap it on there.